Okay, welcome. Let's do a quick overview of how to install VirtualBox and Kali Linux. So if you open up a web browser and type in VirtualBox, oops, if I could type that'd be nice, VirtualBox download, you can find this link here. Go to downloads, pick the appropriate version for your operating system. I'm going to choose Windows hosts. It's going to download an exe file. Okay, that should open up a installer. And you just click through, use all the default settings as you like. I don't really like desktop shortcuts, but okay. Okay, so just go ahead and click through on defaults all the way through. Finish, and then should open automatically for you. So I'm going to pin this to my taskbar. I'm going to keep it here. Now to install Kali Linux, if we go to do a Google search for Kali Linux VirtualBox download, you'll see a site here that says Kali Linux custom image downloads, offensive security. That's the best one to click on. So if you click on that and you scroll down here and you check the middle tab, the tabs aren't super obvious here with their color scheme. If you click on this guy, you'll get the Kali Linux VirtualBox images, and then you can download the Kali Linux VirtualBox 64-bit OVA. That's the most current one. And I'm going to pause it here, the recording, because this, well, depending on your internet connection, this will take a while. It's a pretty big file. It's about 3 gigabytes. So we'll pause here and resume once it's downloaded. Okay, so now we're back. That about 3 gigabyte OVA file has downloaded successfully. Rather than trying to open it here, I'm going to scroll over to VirtualBox, open that up, go to File, Import Appliance, and then, well, you may want to do something like this. You may want to make a new folder for your hackathon materials, so I'll just do that real quick. So and then you can take your OVA file, which should be over here in downloads, do a Control X, come over here, Control V, put it in there, and now from within VirtualBox, once you're at this screen where you decide which appliance to import, you can click on the file icon, come over to the desktop, go to Malwarebytes Hackathon, and then you'll see the the OVA file in here. So if you click on this guy, click on Open, and then Next. Be sure to, well, I think it's a good idea to check this box here for the MAC addresses. Should help with networking. And then it takes a couple minutes to complete this. And I'll pause here again. Okay, so once the device importing is completed, that can take a couple minutes. You'll see your virtual machine over on the left-hand part of the screen here. Before we click Start, though, we're going to have to do another quick download. We've got to do a download for the VirtualBox extension pack. Sometimes you'll be prompted automatically once you do the installation of VirtualBox with the screen asking you if you want to download that, but sometimes you just have to go find it yourself. So if we open up our web browser here and we type in VirtualBox extension pack and go back to the Oracle download site, and then go down here, the second bullet point, VirtualBox extension pack, click all supported platforms. It'll download, and then you can open it. And we should get an install screen here in a second. Okay, actually, we'll close the old screen here and stick with this one that just opened up. So if you click Install, Scroll to the bottom. I agree. Yes. Okay. Once it's installed successfully, then we should be able to highlight our virtual machine here, press start, and have it boot up. Okay, and if you don't have the extension pack installed, it's likely that your virtual machine will fail on boot up. So if that happens, just go through the extension pack installation and see if that solves it. We can get rid of these notification messages. And then once your virtual machine loads, if you like, you can operate in full screen mode. I tend to prefer that. Okay, and then the username for Kali Linux is root, and the password is root spelled backwards, or toor, T-O-O-R. And then if you're in full screen mode and you bring your cursor down to the bottom of the screen, you can go in and out of full screen mode like that. But in full screen mode, then Kali Linux will the desktop will load for you, and you're off to the races with all your lab assignments. So hopefully this helps. I know a couple of you guys are having trouble with the installation. Hopefully following these steps will work for you. I hope it does.